Yesterday we were stuck in the 80s, which actually was not bad at all. Some nice relief with all of the cloud cover. As we go through the rest of the evening, again, we're out ahead of that front, so it stays warm, it stays muggy, and also it stays unsettled. That's right, Sarah. Now, the good news is right now, Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle, they're catching a break. However, more severe weather is expected as we go through the rest of the week. So I just want to reset here and let you know what's going on, just in case you're just tuning in. We've got that tornado warning until 4:15 for Catawba County. Brandon Goldner was in Claremont. This porta potty that you're seeing is to its side. That was completely covered in water as well, so we wouldn't be able to stand here. Around the world, girls. Around the world, girls.
Love that song. So good. We need like our own little playlist here.
We do.
So good.
Aisha,
Okay,
so funny.
Aisha, how's that forecast?
It's hot. Yesterday, I said you've got one cool day. That's it. So enjoy it. And today was certainly that day. If you see something that looks like it's bouncing off of the umbrella, that's sleet. Keep in mind, sleet pings, so it bounces off of things. Freezing rain, it clings to objects. I'm also keeping an eye on that severe thunderstorm that's moving through Caldwell County. Again, if you're just tuning in, we've got some pretty heavy rain. So believe it or not, all precipitation starts as snowfall. Yes, even during the summertime. Florence is a Category 4 hurricane packing winds of 140 miles per hour, but it is possible that it could even strengthen to a Category 5 hurricane.
Want to know, what will tomorrow morning look like for us?
Well, you know what, tomorrow morning will be mainly dry, but for Easter Sunday, we've got a beautiful forecast in store for you. So just hang tight. I'll show you the 7-day in just a second. Outside right now, I know it's dark, so you can't see much, but we've got cloudy skies out there, 62 degrees. The dew point at 57. And notice our winds still out of the south and west, so we still have that warm air working into the region. So it's fairly mild out there right now. High temperatures today, we climbed into the mid to upper 70s, low 60s in the mountains, officially 78 in Charlotte and 76 in Gastonia. The winds, as I mentioned, still out of the south and southwest, and it is quite breezy in some places like Salisbury at 12 miles per hour, 13 in Concord, 14 in Monroe, and we're at 15 right now in Lancaster. Keep in mind, it will be a breezy night tonight and another breezy day tomorrow. Now, the good news with the rain was it kept our pollen levels down, so those levels weren't nearly as high as they have been, but they will certainly start to go back up into Easter Sunday. So those outdoor Easter eggs hunts, just keep in mind, yeah, that pollen's going to be kind of high on Sunday. So our 12-hour rainfall totals today, most of us, and this is primarily for the metro, we picked up less than 1/2 of an inch, 2/10 of an inch in Lake Wiley and Huntersville, about 3/10 of an inch in Cornelius. But further to our west, or farther to our west, I should say, that's where we picked up more rain. Actually, some places in the mountains picked up 2, 3, almost 4 inches of rain, especially closer to Asheville. So I wanted to show you the timeline here because we had 3 lines that we were watching. The first one is the one that produced all of the tornado warnings. That was the first line right there. Then we had the second line right here. That one broke up. And then the third line moved closer to the metro right about 8, 9 o'clock. That one is moving out of here as well. So we still have that flash flood warning in effect for the mountains, primarily from Clifton down to Boone until 11:45 tonight. We have been getting reports of some flooding in the mountains, especially earlier today we were when the rain was coming down a little bit heavier. So for tonight, again, that last band of rain will continue to move out of here by tomorrow morning, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. If you're running errands, maybe you're getting things ready for Easter holiday, the Easter holiday weekend, just keep in mind we could still see a stray shower or two, but most of us will be dry. By the afternoon, though, here's what's going to happen. The system that we've been tracking, it will start to pull away from the area. As it does so, it's going to wrap around some more moisture. So by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, we'll be tracking more rain. So if you do have plans tomorrow, I would certainly say the better part of the day will be early in the day. By the afternoon and evening, we'll be tracking more showers. Nothing terribly widespread, but certainly just keep an eye to radar if you do have any outdoor plans tomorrow. By Easter Sunday, those Easter egg hunts looking pretty good, highs in the upper 60s under mostly sunny skies. So for tonight, we'll drop back into the 30s and upper 30s and low 40s in the mountains, 53 in Lenore, 53 in Morganton. Again, those showers ending, or I should say for tomorrow, it actually will be cooler tomorrow, right around 60 in Charlotte. I thought these numbers were a little high, 57 in Rock Hill, 58 in Wadesboro with just a few showers, and 61 in Rockingham. So the 7-day forecast, you'll notice we've got a pretty nice weekend in store. store. 60 on Saturday with those showers during the afternoon. 69 for Easter Sunday, looking absolutely gorgeous. Near 80 on Monday, and then we're back into the 80s Tuesday, and then more rain by the end of the week.